What's up, Essence fam? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl G to the Essence, back again with another video. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, guys. And yes, as you can see by the title, it's about my DIY nails. Now, if you're in the house and you're bored out of your mind and you're saying, oh my god, I look like a bum, I got you. All right. Okay. All right. Yes, guys, so this is the DIY that I have for you today. Don't forget to like, and yes, guys, when you do like the video, I get more recommendations, and when I do get more recommendations, I get more views, which means I can get more subscriptions. So yes, guys, help your girl out. All right, don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe to the fam. Okay, so again, if you want to know the tea on how to get glammed in your house on your own, stay tuned. Alright guys, so to begin with, we'll be using our pom-pom curved nails. I'm using this packet which has 20 nail tips inside. I'll be using my 2 nail files. Now there's a coarse one and a smooth one. The coarse one is for the nail shaping. The smooth one, you'll definitely see how it is used in the video. And scissors, definitely I'll be using that to cut my nail to the length I want it. If you do have a professional nail clip, guys, that works, but I didn't have one, so I'm using the scissor. Alright, so you definitely, we are going to need a nail glue. Of course, I'm using the Sassy nail glue. I'm using this stick thingy that I don't know the name of it, guys, but it helps with prepping as well as cleaning up the nail after polishing. A nail cuticle cleaner and or nail polish, of course. All right, so I'm using red today, and a nail clipper if you choose to clean up even more, if you have paper tears or anything like myself, and acetone, of course. All right, so to begin with, guys, we're prepping our nail. Nail prepping is so important, and it definitely helps the whole finishing of the nail, how it looks when it's finished. So nail prepping is important. So what we're doing now is using that stick thingy that I was telling you about, guys, that I don't know the name of, and pushing back our cuticle. This is so important, guys. So we're pushing or lifting the cuticle, which basically is like the old cuticle there that we're going to lift to basically remove with our cuticle cleaner. So you see, we're making use of that. We are using the cuticle cleaner now to basically remove that old cuticle that was there that we used the stick thingy to lift, So when that's finished, guys, we're now going to be using our smooth nail file. Remember that nail file? Yes, guys, now is its time. So I'll be using that smooth nail file to basically file our fingers. This is important, guys, because it helps to create that grip to which the nail and the glue can stick to and basically adhere to the nail, which helps the lengthening of how long it lasts, right? So this nail basically should last you, if you use the techniques that I'm showing you, it should last you between 1 to 2 weeks. Yes, guys, it can last you that long. All right, so just create that grip, using the nail file before you actually start applying your nail. And now it's that time. All right, so I'll be using our nail nail from the packet, right? So first of all, how I do it, guys, is that I'll get the nail for each finger. So if I'm working on my pinkies, I'll get the 2 nail for each pinkies, then the ring fingers and the middle finger, then the index, and then the thumb. That's how I work on my nails. So I work in pairs. All right, so first you see I'm actually fitting those nails to see which actually fits, if not or whatever, to get the nail that actually fits perfectly. Now, as you can see, when I do get the nail to fit perfectly, I normally shape the nail. Now, sometimes these nail, guys, they come with a little, squarish shape. So what I normally do is to shape it up a bit to create that, or to improve the curvature of the nail. So when it is applied, it looks a bit more on the natural side. You know what I mean? So it's time to apply it, and definitely, you apply your glue, and then you hold it onto the nail. And as you can see, guys, when I do apply the glue, I do hold down on it for about at least 30 seconds to ensure that the glue and the nail definitely sticks to your nail itself. So we're basically, you know, repeating the same process for the 8 other fingers, which, you know, leads to my lengthy nails, right? Now it's time to cut the nail, and now I'm using my scissor to cut it at my desired length. You can cut it at whatever length you choose to do so. Alright, so I'm definitely cutting. Now when you see me finish cutting to my length that I want it, guys, you're gonna see me go back in to make some snips at the ends of each finger. That basically is to help with the whole, you know, shape that I'm going for. I'm going for a coffin shape, right? So to snip it at the end will create that shape for me, so while, you know, filing the nail, you know, it'll be easier to get that nail shape that I'm going for. All right. Alright, now guys, now is the time to shape our nail. And now, as you can see, when I was, you know, clipping it at the sides, there is this pointy point at the side of the nail, so that we're going to start filing from there. Now start filing from there will eventually meet it at the nail tip, at the end of the nail, the other end, so basically to create that slant effect, right? So the how we cut the nail will basically improve it and will help us to get our desired nail shape. All right, so continue filing and ensure that each side is as straight as possible and is meeting the ends of the nail. All right. And there you have it, or desired nail shape. You just repeat the same process for the 9 other fingers and you definitely will have your coffin shape if that's what you're going for. So after that is done, guys, we can wash our fingers or hands basically to get rid of that dust of, you know, filing and everything. So we wash our hands, right? And now it's time to apply our nail polish. All right. So sometimes, guys, it does, you know, make a bit messy. So you can go and use the same stick thing and clean that up. Or you can definitely, you know, do it afterwards, in which you can use cotton to, along with acetone and or nail thing and the stick thing, to basically go around the edges to clean it up a bit. All right. And for this, guys, I normally do 2 coats of polish to ensure that the nail actually gets or have the look that we want, that rich color. So I normally do 2 applications of the nail polish, and then that's followed by using my top coat to create that finishing look, right? Yes, guys, so that's what we're doing. And this is the finished look. Yes, guys, it's really looking so pretty. I'm loving it so much. I definitely do hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I do hope you recreated this look, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all subscribe. I am so happy that I was able to film this for you guys. Love you guys so much. Mwah!